everyone and welcome to our Cisco Modeling Lab course on our channel. In this course we will cover the fundamentals of network configuration and troubleshooting in the free-tier Cisco Modeling Lab tool. I'm really excited to share this information with you and help you to take your networking skills to the next level. In episode number 1 we will cover how to install CML software in VMware Workstation. In the description of the video, you can find the links for downloading the OVA image and the ISO image file, which is necessary for installation. Also, you can find the link for the VMware Workstation installation. First step is to open VMware Workstation on our PC and to go open a virtual machine. Here we will find our virtual machine, the last version, and click open. Next step is to name that machine. For example, CML, and we will say import. So after a few seconds we can see here our machine, and then we will first go and click settings, and on the settings we will for now leave 8 GB. Then we will go to the network adapter, it's bridged, it's okay, and for CD we will say use ISO image, browse, and here we will click to the ISO image which we downloaded, and say connect at power on and say OK. Now we can start and say play virtual machine. Click enter to have GUI installation. So now we click continue. Here is EULA, let's say accept, continue. If you don't have any kind of error, that means that you correctly installed the ISO image. If not, please go back and check options for the ISO. So is it everything fine? And okay, continue. Now you can set up password. Okay, now go continue. If it's password not so good, you will have this warning, but you can go yes, put here for the admin, and remember this password. This is the password for the login on the web GUI. Okay, let's type again. And go continue. Also the warning for the not secure password, yes, DHCP, okay. You can also use static IP address, it depends on your local network, confirm, and now we will wait. So now he will copy image for the ISO, so basically that is the images of nodes or switches, ASAs, and etc. So let's wait some time. Let's wait next 10 seconds. Okay, here we can log in with this admin user, so we enter the password, so that is the way. And also you can, if you want to shut down, just click command shutdown and enter, and you will shut down this machine when you are finished with your work. Okay, here we can see the address 192, 168, 130. The TCP port is 9090, so we will go to our browser and enter that address. Okay, my personal stuff. Okay, let's go, and here we are. So basically now we enter admin and password for admin, which we defined it, and here we are, our CML user contact details. And let's just see some stuff. Here we can have CPU, memory, and disk of machine. We have that is free tier, so we can use it. And for example, go to the add, and first step is to check, do we have nodes? Go here at nodes, and here it is. So we have some external controller, virtual ASA, router, server, desktop, some Linux machine, unmanaged and managed switch. And for example, if we click device, and we can start. In the next episodes we will see how to set up some basic networks, how to configure, and how to use some of these options inside Cisco modeling lab. So that would be that for this first lesson. Thank you for watching this video on our CML course. We hope you found it informative and valuable. To continue learning, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.